What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty, and I'm the owner of the xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, we're doing a review of another gas app. Besides the Get Upside gas app, there's another one a lot of people know about. It's called truenow. Truenow gas app. Now this truenow gas app it is what it is. You pump gas and you go to gas stations here. So you hit the camera button. You go to the gas stations here, and once you go to the gas station, they'll ask you for a receipt right here, which we won't have one, and you will scan it, and they'll give you cash back. Pretty simple. I realized that you don't get a lot of money for this. You can see how much money I am getting. I spent $45 here at Valero, and I got 22. I think it's cents. I'm not sure. So here's the gas receipt here. I scanned it. I spent $45 and I got 22 points. So I'm trying to figure out what the points are. I don't know. The points are, they're not dollars, but they're points, and the points add up to money. So 443 points equals $4. So I guess the point, so you get 100 points, that's $1. I'll put it that way. So 12 points, 1 to 100 points, because 443 is 433 cents. So if I have 500 points, that'd be $5. So it's a point system. So you see here, I'm spending $25 in gas, got 12 cents. I spent $45 in gas, I got 22 points. I have $19, I get 9 points, so on and so on. So it's a very slow builder. It takes a long time to get some real money. Also, if you use my link here, I get $1 and you get $1 on your first receipt. So that'll give you a jump start. Because if you don't, you gotta pump like 3 times to get, or 2 times to get that first $1. So here's my code here. If you use my code, I get $1 and you get $1. So, it's not hurting you whatsoever if you're actually making $1. And that code will be below the video as well. Pick retailer. I'm trying to see how you redeem. So I hit redeem. I'm not sure how you redeem this. You could go to PayPal. The minimum is $5, so you need $5 cash out with PayPal. There are pick a retailer, but I guess there's no retailer nearby, so I don't have the retailer, so I have to use PayPal to get the money back. But there's not you see, how much money I'm spending. So this is my secondary app, okay? This is my secondary app. You should be using the Get Upside Gas app as well. Now, I did a review, my last video on the Get Upside Gas app. This is my #1 app. Okay. Now, what the trick is to make sure that the gas station on this app also is on this app. So you see Valero is up here. I went to Valero, I spent $25.00, and Valero is also up here as well. So what I do is I pump my gas like I normally do. I'll get in my car, get a receipt. If the receipt machine don't print out, I'll go inside and get a duplicate receipt. I'll scan a receipt for the Get Upside Gas app, and it's very easy. All you do is pick a store you're going to, hit claim, okay? Once I scan that one, I'll come to the truenow app, and I'll hit receipt, and set the gas station that I'm at, and scan that receipt. So I scan the receipt both times while I'm there, and you get money. So this is my secondary app. Now, this took forever to build, okay? So this right here, I will cash this out. Once it gets like $50. They're gonna take a long time, but again, I'm making money, a little bit of money. And I was saying earlier in my last review of the Get Upside Gas app, I made $41 so far. Once it hits to $100, I'm gonna get a check. I'm gonna take that $100 and put into a high yield savings account, so that $100 can grow and make more money. Okay, so once that hits 100, hopefully this one will be near. Hope this one will be near. Um, you know, $50 or $20, whatever. So I'll cash out both apps at the same time. Get two checks or a check in my PayPal. Then PayPal go to my bank and savings account. So yeah, that's it for the review. Is it the best app? No, but it's free money. I do have full on 43 cents in here. You use the Get Upside Gas app and the truenow app. And it's like peanut butter and jelly, yin and yang. So it goes together, okay? So my name is Todd with xking.com. Use my link below and you get a free dollar, okay? See current rewards. None of that's here. So yeah, if you use my link here, that member ID, if you use that, you get a free dollar. So here's my code again. Use it. You get a free dollar. Easy money. You can start using both apps at the same time. Do it for a full 6 months. Send the money you made. Cash out if you want to. $5, not a lot of money, but you made that money doing nothing. It takes 10 seconds to shoot a receipt. If you're an Uber driver, this is perfect for you because I'm pretty sure you probably fill up twice a week. So you're getting points and money to Get Upside Gas app all at the same time. Plus, your gas receipts you're saving to file on your taxes. So you're making money all the way around. So these are two apps you should be getting. Use my codes below and get money back. My name is Todd with xking.com. Thanks for watching.